In today's video, I am going to teach you how to add Google Maps location in Figma Embed Google Maps. We'll cover two practical approaches. First, inserting a static map image directly into your design using a plugin. Use the first method when you just need a fixed visual and the second when you want an interactive handoff experience. Start by opening your design in Figma. Press Ctrl-K to open the Quick Actions bar. Then head to Plugins and search for Google Maps. Open and run the plugin. Inside the plugin interface, use the search bar to find the exact place you need this. Can be a city, a full address, or a notable landmark. Next, pick your map style, such as road map or satellite. And set your zoom level to match the detail you want. You can also choose the dimensions. Larger dimensions help keep the map crisp in high-resolution layouts. Some versions of the plugin let you add markers or tweak styling to better match your brand or UI. When you are happy with the preview, insert the map into your Figma document. It will appear as a static image, so feel free to reposition or resize it by dragging. Just like any other layer. This is perfect for mockups, hero sections, or contact screens where a snapshot is all you need. If you want a map that users can open in a live prototype, you'll embed a Google Maps link through a widget. On Google Maps, find your location, click Share. Choose the Embed a Map tab, and copy the provided HTML iframe code. You'll only need the URL inside that iframe. Now return to Figma, go to the Community section and find the Google Maps widget. Select the widget and open it with your existing design. In the widget settings, paste the URL you grabbed from the iframe code, then click Add. Wait a few seconds while it processes. You'll see a preview image placed into your canvas. In your live prototype, this preview is clickable and will open the actual map, allowing viewers to explore directions, zoom, and details outside of Figma. This keeps your designs lightweight while still giving stakeholders real-world interactivity when they test your flow. That's it. Thanks for watching.